Good afternoon, everyone. This is Shane, your Nappy Chef. So today what I'm doing is I am seasoning my new Nextel grill. I got this on clearance at Home Depot for, you would not believe the price, 100 bucks. So all I did was wipe it down with a little bit of soapy water first. And since it's weird here in Florida, we actually got down to 30 last night on Christmas Day. Now it's 32. So I started it off maybe about halfway low, and I'm slowly bringing the temperature up all the way up to high. And we're gonna let it smoke for about 10 minutes before I put the first cut of oil on here. It's just now starting to discolor. Okay, so maybe I'm about maybe 5 minutes in. You can see there's some discoloration that's happening on here, which is what we actually want. So another 5 minutes and I'll start applying the first coat of oil. Okay, so it's been heating for about 10 or 15 minutes. What I'm gonna do is, you can see it's thoroughly discolored. I'm gonna apply just about a tablespoon of vegetable oil in the middle here. Oops, there's a little bit more than I wanted to do. And then I'm gonna take my paper towel and just kind of coat it all around. All right. Spread it around. But make sure you get all the sides. Make sure you got an even coat. Get in those corners. And what we're doing is seasoning in our grill. Okay. We're gonna let that cook off for about maybe 10 minutes, and then we'll come back and do it again. Okay, son. Go. Okay, so we did our first coat. Now I'm gonna put on a second one. Should be measuring this out. One of the things that you might want to do is make sure it's level. So just a little bit. Okay, and we're gonna, same thing, just spread it out again. Nice little even coat. And we'll see you guys in another 15 minutes. Thanks, son. Okay, YouTube. I applied the last coat. I did 4, and it's burning off now, and you can see it's a beautiful black color, and it is ready for, almost ready for its first cook. So please give this a like, thumbs up if you don't mind. Helps the YouTube algorithm, so I can keep bringing you great content. Looking forward to cooking some really cool stuff on this. All right? Thanks a lot, everybody. Hope you're enjoying your holidays. Nappy Chef. All right, good morning, everyone. This is Shane, your Nappy Chef. So, like I said, this is the virgin cook that we did on our new grill. Taking up our veggies here. Nice and healthy. And I think what I like about this is probably the cleanup process, because most of this stuff is just going to stay outside and go directly into the compost. And this went really fast. I kept one side cool, so my veggies are nice and warm, seasoned. I just got these 2 beautiful red snappers that I put some slits in, season it with something simple, you know, salt, pepper, garlic, onion powder, ginger. You know, the normal stuff, a little bit of red pepper because we do like our spice. And now, put that on there. Hit it with a lot of butter and a lemon and a little bit of love. And I think we're good to go. All right, please make sure you give it a like, a thumbs up, so we can keep bringing you some great content. Thanks a lot, everyone. This is Shane, your Nappy Chef.
Well, in the middle, which is where we're on.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is your Nappy Chef.
And Zion.
Okay, so today Zion is going to learn how to use the griddle. We're going to use some salmon, got some asparagus, got some leftover potatoes and onions. Now, what are you doing, son? What is that?
I'm checking the temperature with this handy laser.
Go ahead, point it down there. Let's see what we got.
It's necessary to know your temperatures when you're cooking.
Can't see the time. What does it say?
490, 478, 475. It did
Check it.
fluctuate.
It might be a different spot that you want to check because they're different heat areas. Okay.
Let's do this one then. The other corner. 300.
Okay, so we want to be in this one. All right, good. Let me have that. All right. Good. You're going to put this down first. Get a thin layer of. Now we're using regular olive oil, not extra virgin olive oil, because this has a high temperature. Just spray it down there. There you go. That's good. Okay. Now you're going to grab your spatula and give like spread it out and let the temperature come up to heat. Do it like that. There you go. So you're just giving yourself a nice surface where you're going to be able to cook. And put a little bit over on the other side too, since you're going to have some veggies down there.
Let me get the bottle for that.
There you go. All right. Okay. That looks like it's starting to smoke. Okay. You just lay your fish down. Let's start here.
Bottom
No. We're gonna do do the bottom first. Oh, I'm sorry. So let's season it first. Hot. Pause.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we're just putting on our secret rub, but it's not that secret. It's just salt, pepper, red pepper, black pepper, onion powder. I think I put a little garlic powder in there too, and just a little bit of sugar. All right. So now that we got our rub on, let's go ahead and lay down our sear so we can get a nice crust on it. Okay.
Very careful. All of them?
Yeah.
All right.
Some more. Okay. Now on our cool side, I want my butter too cooked over here. Let me grab that.
You know the excess pools at the bottom. Is there a problem with that? Is there a problem with the excess pooling at the bottom of the
No,
pan?
not really. So let's go ahead and put down our
Everything on top.
vegetables. Yeah. We are still learning to grill. Like, you don't want to put things that get hot right next to your grill. Yeah, just spread it out. We'll hit it with a little bit of our seasonings.
So great.
Okay. Looks like it's about time to flip it. Go ahead and do that. Got a nice crust on there. That is a nice sear. I like that. Oh, yeah, that's good.
Reminds me of summer, even though we're late December.
Okay. Now, since they're pretty much done cooking, we want to move it over to the cool side over here. We're just going to move them all, and we can watch the bottom. See how it's still a little pink down there? We're going to make that, once that gets about, now that's a real thin piece, so that one's probably done. So we'll get that in a second. So let's just move everything over. Everything over to the cool side. And we can probably reduce the heat over there as well. Then flip it. Right there is good. Good. start putting our secret sauce on here. Just some butter, some maple syrup, some I think I put some liquid smoke in here.
Shout out to Gordon Ramsay.
Hey, shout out to Gordon Ramsay. You guys are good cooks. Right. Shout out to Gordon Ramsay. All right. Hit with just a little bit of lemon. Okay. A little bit more seasoning on my stuff here. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna turn the fire all the way off. I think this cook is done.
See the burners on.
Good. Yep. Okay, let me get a serving plate. Oh, one of them snuck out. Let's give him a little. Okay, push pause, son. I'll be right there. Okay, I think this cook is done. Let's go ahead and set it in our presentation plate. Put the vegetables down first, son, and then we'll put the food on top of the veggies. Well, actually, let me switch with you. Let me show you how you're supposed to. Yeah. Go ahead and hold the camera. So, the reason you have two spatulas is so you can get all these with one scoop. Right? This. In there. Nice, buttery, savory vegetables. The only thing, you know what I wish I would have put in here was some red onion to give it a little bit more color. But this is going to be delicious, I'm sure.
It's nice, I think so too. It's swarming right
Yes,
now.
I got to edit that out. Okay, we got some candy yams on there. Nice big pieces of salmon. Nice portions. So there are plenty of videos on how to cut these things, so we didn't want to waste time with that. But as far as a grill cook, you cannot beat that. And one of the best things about grilling is the cleanup. Real simple. Once you cut off the fire, you want to kind of clean as you go. I'll put a link in the description for these nice little tools that I got. And if you're going to begin your grilling journey, it's not necessary, but it definitely makes your life a lot easier. Right? It. And once it's cooled down, you just take a paper towel, wipe it down, and you are done. All right, son, let's go enjoy.